We need to get a representative sample of Issaquah High School students. So we decided to interview 100 kids and try and find random kids throughout all 4 grades, guys and girls.
This is the map that we allowed people to choose a location from. As you can see in the pie chart, some locations weren't chosen, so they're not included.
What is your favorite Fortnite drop spot?
Tilted Towers.
I'm gonna go Salty Springs.
That was my go-to.
Probably Retail Rose.
Alright.
Hey.
What's your favorite drop spot in Fortnite?
Pleasant Park.
Alright, what's your favorite drop spot in the OG?
Oh, easily Salty Springs. Retail Row.
Lauren, what's your favorite drop spot? Tilted. Where are you dropping in Fortnite?
Retail Row.
Go, Luke, go.
What is your favorite Fortnite drop spot? OG Fortnite.
I'm gonna go with Retail Row.
Okay, next.
Salty Springs.
My window's locked. My window's locked.
Alright, Logan, what's yours?
Greasy Grove.
Alright, what's your favorite drop spot in OG Fortnite?
Pleasant Park.
Greasy Grove. Risky Reels.
I don't play Fortnite. My favorite drop spot is Tilted Towers.
Valid.
I'm gonna have to disagree with him. I am going with Salty Springs.
Valid. Where are you dropping in Fortnite OG? Tilted Towers. Go.
What is your favorite OG Fortnite drop spot?
That's your answer, not mine.
Tilted Towers?
Okay, what about you?
That was mine.
What
Two
the heck,
for
guys?
Tilted Towers.
To settle the debate, we conducted an experiment. Because the original debate was about if Tilted Towers is better or more popular than all of the other locations combined, we decided to do a 2-proportion z-test to test for the difference in proportions between those who preferred Tilted Towers as a drop spot versus those who preferred any other location as a drop spot.
A possible source of bias in this experiment is the fact that we tended to ask people we knew or those that seemed more approachable, and another factor is that people could have answered without much knowledge of the game, so maybe just places they've heard of or thought were popular without actually knowing or playing the game.
54 out of the 100 people chose Tilted Towers as their favorite drop spot, and that means 46 people chose other locations.
So state our null was P1 minus P2 equals 0. Obviously, our alternative was P1 is greater than P2. So what we're trying to find out is the proportion of students who prefer Tilted Towers greater than the proportion of students who prefer elsewhere? Our significance level was 0.05, P hat 1 is 0.54, and P hat 2 is 0.46. These two numbers were found with our pie chart. We just saw what was the proportion of students who preferred Tilted only, and then we just subtracted 1 minus that number. So that's how we got that number. So now that that's done, we did plan a 2-proportion z-test for P1 minus P2. N was 100. Here we checked our conditions. 10% was met. Normality was met. Randomization was not met, unfortunately. Just because we didn't conduct a true random sample, we instead went around the school and picked people, and that could have underlying biases. For example, we were more likely to pick people that we knew because we didn't want it to be awkward. So that's why our study might be a little bit biased and might not be able to be generalized to all of IHS students. Here's our work for the due proportion. As you can see, our p-value was 0.129, which was greater than 0.05, and because of that, we failed to reject the null and conclude that there is not statistically significant evidence to show that students prefer Tilted Towers over any other location.